share the story which is still unshared about drawing and sketch. So please go ahead, Afreen.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Afrin, and I'm going to tell you the importance of drawing and sketches. Like, drawing is a beautiful skill, and you must have seen people who draw something on wall, on paper, and on ground as well. So, drawing is a language. It in our ancient period, people used to draw drawings to express their feeling because there at that time there was no language. So they used to draw something to convey their message to their members. So drawing is a very important thing, and it is it is a part of our culture. And in every tradition, the people used to draw something. Like in Bihar, used to draw, uh, they used to draw painting on wall, like Madhubani painting. We call that painting, and as well as sketching. People used to draw, they make sketches. And in today's time, in investigation, police used to drawing and sketches for the to search for criminal. So drawing, it is a very important part of our culture in our country and everywhere. Without drawing, we can't say history will exist, because when there was no language, we can't understand what they used to live, what they use, what they use the things to live, what kind of food they used to make, and what kind of activities they used to uh, like for hunting. How we able to know that? Through drawing on case and manuscripts, like these kind of things. So drawing, I tell you the benefits of drawing. In today's time, drawing increase our focus. When we draw something, we will enhance our focus, because in this time, through because of social media, we lose our focus very easily. So it improved our focus for the long time, and it increased patience as well. By focusing on details, we can solve the we can develop a problem solving skill as well, because we see the complexity of the drawing, of the details. When we focus on the small things, we will be able to understand the small problems when we face in our life, and we can develop self expression as well. Like self expressions, if we want to express something to someone, we can draw something. Like if we want to express a good thing, we can draw flowers to for the happiness. And build it also build confidence as well. Like when we draw something, when it becomes beautiful, then we feel confident. And like people when appreciate us, we feel like we are in seventh heaven. So this is the best part of it. And we stress, we can, whenever we feel stress, through drawing we can release our stress and tiredness. So this is all about the benefits of drawing. Drawing is a very important thing. It helps a lot in our daily life. So I want to suggest that everyone to draw something in their life, and their on not daily but weekly or monthly, we can say that, to see our creativity. Thank you for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much.